back for the next question already? Good to know. I'd like to have you here. So let's do the following. So next they ask all about NTP, okay? Configure the system to be the client of NTP, and well, basically you need to make sure that your server is client of a specific NTP server. I'm not going to use this one. I'm going to use another one, but might as well. It's the same thing. It doesn't really matter. So let's go to this one here. So let's start installing by DNF install the cronny stuff. This should take no long. It's already installed. Perfect. Next, you go to the etc cronny.conf stuff, cronny.conf file. You have here this one here. I will comment this one out on the exam. If you have others, you can just comment everybody else out. So do the server. I'm not going to put the one on the instructions. I'm going to put a different one because it's more convenient for me, but you can do whatever. Well, on the exam, not whatever. Just specify the ones they add there and iBurst. Cool. This should be enough for this purpose. So just do the server itself, iBurst. They give you the server name or IP address during the exam, so it's fine. Everything else, you don't need to touch anything else. You are good to go. So then you go do systemctl, restart cronny D, and you should be okay. So just go to cronny.conf, you add this one. Let's just review this really quick. Yeah, looks to be okay. iBurst, fine. You restart systemctl, restart cronny d.service, looking good. And then you check with cronny c sources. You see our server there. We are synchronizing with the NTP server like they mentioned, and we should be okay. So that was question 9, configuring an NTP client to connect to an NTP server. Just a note, okay, just before you go, just a note. Sometimes I type instead of cronny C, I type cronny D. It's just kind of muscle memory of mine. If you see this, don't worry, you just mistype the command. It's not cronny D, it's cronny C. Okay, that much so that in my notebook on my PDF I have cronny D. I have fixed with the master file already, so I don't make this mistake again. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, I fixed my file so I don't have to make that mistake again. So once again, it's cronny C, not cronny D. If you type cronny D and you see that error, it's cronny C. I make that mistake many times too. Question 9 done. You're getting there. Little by little, you get there. Like, subscribe, and comment. It really helps. And I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.